The rule for customer experience is like you need to be like you need to offer the high quality products for your customer for sure, to get like a good customer experience, and also to get like new customers coming in, because if there's one happy client, you will get like 5 or 10 more 10 more new clients, so for us, the rule is like be give the best products, like high quality product service to your customers. Let's say the quality, when you buy a product from a supplier, make sure that the product is the same as what you are selling it. If it's like sizing, make sure that the sizing is correct. If there's any other specification, make sure that everything is correct, and then try as much as you can to customize your product, like doing like a customized packaging, and then thank you card, all those stuffs. And that's make like client much more happier when they receive their parcel. Yeah.